it again. One more. Two more.
Okay, 2 more. Then it's my turn. Why would you throw this frisbee? Oh, you caught it!
One more and that's it. Okay.
Okay. Aubrey, you're going to take the video now.
I'm not taking a video.
You're literally just holding it.
No.
While I do it. Fine, Posse. Here, let me, my turn.
Hot.
I know.
Oh my gosh, Joey, that almost flew into the roof.
Where is it?
In the bush.
It is. This one?
Not that one.
Which one?
The purple one.
Purple one? Oh, I see it. Joey, you got it stuck in there.
Where is it?
It's right there, Joey. See it? Look on the tablet. It's right there.
Let me see.
See, it's over there. Okay, let me grab it now. I think this is a poisonous bush, by the way.
Wait, Missy is your tablet.
Poisonous bush.
Missy. Huh?
All right, Joey. Joey, can you hold the tablet like this, please?
Uh-huh.
Face it on me. Do you see me in it?
Mm-hmm.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. Good.
Wait, Joey, ready?
Are you ready, Joey?
Yeah.
Remember, you have to watch it go up, okay? 3, Joey, watch me. 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Ah!
Ready, Joey?
Yeah.
Joey, your turn. Here, move the tablet. Okay.
Where is it? Oh, we did.
Oh, I almost dropped it. Where is it on the roof now?
It's right there.
Where?
Yeah, where? Oh, I see it.
I want to do it again. More.
Here. Let me zoom in. There it is.
Again.
Here, let me try, Joey.
No, I'm gonna do it.
One more time, please.
Uh-huh.
One more time.
Uh-huh.
Hold the tablet. Don't drop it. Hey, wait. Yeah, okay. You ready? Aim it on me. Ready? In 3, in 2, in 1. Go.
Guys,
I know what to do.
where is it? Oh, I see it.
Also, Aubrey, stand on this.
I'm taking a picture, y'all, please.
Aubrey has to
So
stand
cool,
on this.
Joe.
Aubrey has to stand on this.
Watch out.
Just watch out.
What if it doesn't work? Give me it again.
Where is it?
What if it gets stuck too? Is it out?
No. Joey, hand me.
Where is it? Where is it? Oh,
Hand me a rock so it doesn't get stuck. Wait, no, then if it hits someone, it's going to really injure them.
here. This is kind of like
Take it
light.
But it's heavy. No, not fine.
Joey, move back.
I'm not.